Good morning.
Morning.
So we are going to meet Dad and Acalia at the food court. Going to grab some breakfast before heading off to Animal Kingdom. I think that was good.
That was fantastic.
What else? What else are we doing? What's our first fast pass?
We're spending the day with Acalia.
Yeah, she has a day off today.
And both Arianes are coming to join us.
Yeah, our new amigos, Arianes, are going to join us.
Our first fast pass is the safari.
The safari at what time?
Between 9 and 10.
Okay, so at park opening.
And then from 10:30 to 11:30 it's dinosaur. And then from 4 to 5 it's flight of passage.
Nice. 4 to 5.
Well, yeah, that's the only one we get.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Even if we booked this about 60 days ago.
Yeah, well, people are nuts for a flight of passage.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our little morning update. We're gonna go get some food. And then I'll update you guys when we're on our way to the parks.
And we're driving.
Oh yeah, we're driving there this morning. Yesterday we took the bus to Magic Kingdom because the TTA is like a lot of people. Is that it? No.
Pardon? Sorry, I wasn't.
What is it? What is the transport place? I almost said
TTA?
PTSD. It's not the TTA. That's the Tomorrowland.
No. The other one's a people mover.
The TTC. There are too many abbreviations. Whatever. The little transportation thing outside of Magic Kingdom that brings you from the parking lot to Magic Kingdom, where you can take either the monorail or the bus. That thing. So that long word that I can't abbreviate because I don't know what it is. We didn't want to do that. Oh, food court. I was gonna go in the entrance there. Nope. So yeah. Oh, children are climbing the numbers. We are on the tram. We're going to Animal Kingdom.
As you make your way into the main entrance, please make sure that you note that all baggage and persons are subject to screening.
This is really loud.
Should you have a weapon, a firearm, a knife, any object that resembles a weapon, a selfie stick, please return it to your car. All guests 14 years of age and older are prohibited from wearing costumes and masks. In addition, all Disney...
Let's go.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
That's our sun. Look at that rock. There's a rock right there. That's our sun. Wow. We're going through that check. Hey. We're in. Ooh, my Times Guide. Times Guide. Mine. Is this the right language? Yes. Boom. In. Let's go. And there's our big friend. So, we are going to do our fast pass at Kilimanjaro Safaris. Gonna go see some elephants and some giraffes. She's ignoring my jokes. I think she's ashamed of me. just got coffee. We did our Cali River Rapids, not Cali River Rapids, what am I saying? Our we did our our Kilimanjaro Safaris Fast Pass. The Paris. Now we're off to Dinosaur? When's our Fast Pass at?
10:30.
Oh, it's 10. Yeah. So we're gonna get to do that. That means that we're gonna have to chug our coffees.
What does the lion say?
We are walking down in front of the Tree of Life, I think. I don't even know if this is the path. Is this the path? See, look, flowers. And some rocks. And some rocks. And some bushes. Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Oh, I found my cave. This is my house. Okay, I'm good here. Bye, guys.
Bye. Fun pick spot.
Is this a fun pick spot? What? Turtle. What? A turtle! For anyone who knows me, I love turtles. Okay, wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Now I'm back. Oh, that's really pretty. Hello there. We have had our caffeine. We are going on Dinosaur. Let's do it. So we're going to do Dinosaur right now. See how well that's gonna come. We're gonna come back with a passenger extra large apparently. What could go wrong? So we just got off Dinosaur and now we're in the little gift shop. I love that you're using the camera to fix your hair.
I'm like, hey, how's my braid doing? I braided my own hair like in a big...
Turn around. Wow. Hot stuff. So we just finished Dinosaur and now we got a huge break until our Flight of Passage Fast Pass. So we're gonna go check out what we can do in the meantime. Okay, so the merch in this store is amazing. Like, I was thinking, what if I put that on my head? I was gonna tell my sister that I was gonna put it on my head, but she left. So I'm telling you guys instead, because you guys can't make fun of me straight to my face. Oh, they've got babies. Okay, so story time. I have one of these, but I got it my first Disney trip when I was like 5, and I still have them. I found my sister. Just see, so what's wrong with
Autopia, which was the original name for the Tomorrowland Speedway. I think Dad's gonna like that one.
I want to go see the pins. Do you want to come with me? Yeah. Let's go pin trade. Yeah. So Akalia and I just pin traded, and Akalia got a, show them. Okay, so the original Speedway name, and here a college program pin. And I just traded one of my pins out for this, which is Focus. Anyways, if you can see that, that is the curtain at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Oh my goodness, it's bright outside. Let's fix that. Now we're headed on over to Expedition Everest. We don't have a fast pass, but we haven't stayed in the line in a while, so we're gonna go do that. So it turns out Everest was not a 45-minute wait. It was an 80-minute wait, and we were not in the mood for an hour and a half of waiting. So we are going to the shops in Africa instead, because that is much better than waiting 80 minutes for Everest. Okay, so now we're at the Yak and Yeti, and we are gonna have a little bite to eat before we all get hangry. Okay, so we're gonna get a bite to eat, and then we're gonna go to Festival of the Lion King. I just looked at my magic band for the time.
What time is it?
I don't know. I'm filming on my
Magic
phone.
time.
It's always time for magic. So we are going to Festival of the Lion King at 12. Yeah. Kale. So we're going to Festival of the Lion King now. It starts in 20 minutes. Yeah, we'll see if we make it.
I'm gonna count up and choose those sounds to call them in. All together. 1, 2, 3. Listen.
That was amazing. Yeah, my favorite show. That was so good. And now we're going through the shops. I feel like I really want to get a sugar tube, but I also feel like that really isn't a good idea. Oh, look at these.
I know, I saw that too.
That's really nice. Do we get matching bags? I'm on a train, I'm going to Harambe. They've got a bucket hat. I like that. Oh, I'm gonna break something. I shouldn't touch things. Oh, there's wind here. Oh, I like that. Hi. We are getting some refreshments before we go on Everest. Hi guys, so we went to get popsicles, and now we're waiting in line for Expedition Everest. It's supposed to be 45 minutes. Let's see if it's actually that long. What time is it now?
5 to 1.
5 to 1. So let's see if at 1:40 we're still here.
Wow, that's our train.
That's our train. That's our train. That's our train. That's us.
Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo wagon for your safety.
So we are on our own. Boop, boop. So we're gonna go meet Ahan Squared in Pandora, and we're going through Africa right now to go pick up coffee for us to share. We just went through Everest. Oh my god, I forgot how much fun it is. Let's go get that starb. Guess where we're at? Oh, you can see the beans on the ceiling. We're back at Starbucks. We're getting coffee to share. I think I've already said this.
The good bean.
That good bean. The bean water. The water made of the bean. The bean. The bean. The bean.
Oh, Parker! We have to get Parker. Parker, you're the leader. Oh, okay, Parker.
Yes, Parker.
The switch up and everything.
When was the last time I gave my vlog an update? Okay, we're gonna start at when Akalia and I were alone. We went to meet the fam well, they finished eating. And then we went to see Finding Nemo, which was amazing.
One, two, three.
Totally!
Okay, everybody. Now say sweet. One more time.
Totally sweet!
Whoa, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Shaw.
Obviously, he's got my son. He's got even. Have you seen a boat?
I've seen a boat. Go away.
Thank you.
And now we're getting into Everest again for the second time today without fast passes. So we're splitting. We're going to do Flight of Passage with Mom and Dad. Me. Someone just dropped an entire drink on the ground. Just throwing it in the garbage right there.
All go and explore Pandora.
We've got a dude. So we just did Flight of Passage with Mom and Dad, and it is honestly amazing. It's just, it feels real. Like the drops feel real. Like they just put like wind so that it makes it feel, how many times am I gonna say it makes it feel real? Anyways, if you haven't done it yet, do it.
Can we go to Discovery Island or Africa?
Do you want Starbucks?
Yeah.
Starbucks would be more like Africa. Oh, we should have gone the other way. If you haven't done it, do it. It's amazing. And if you have done it, then you know exactly what I'm talking about by it feels real.
It feels real.
It feels like the reals, dudes. So now we're gonna go to Starbucks to get some coffee in us. Woo! Oh, that's spitting. And then we're gonna go head over to Dinoland. Oh no, I'm gonna be staying around here because I have my Lion King fast pass. Because they have a fast pass for Dinosaur and I don't. So I got a fast pass for Lion King instead. I'm gonna go watch that again because I love that. Hello everybody. I have split off from the group because they have fast passes for Dinosaur and I do not. So I'm going to Festival of the Lion King. Yeah, because I have a fast pass at 5:30. It's like 5:20 now. So I'm just waiting outside, chilling in the sun, drinking my Starbucks. I want to finish it before I get in there. And I'm just going to go in and appreciate it this time because last time I kind of filmed a lot. So I'm just going to sit there and sing and like participate. I think they're letting fast pass people in now and I'm concerned about that. So I'm actually going to finish this up real quick. Slurp it up and get mine. Go. Okay. So, just finished Festival of the Lion King, sang along to the entire thing. Throat's kind of sore, kind of dry, but I don't have time to go get any water because I already have a fast pass for Dinosaur, and I booked it for 5:40 to 6:40, and it is 6:30 right now, so I am going to run all the way there because I don't want to miss it because I really want to do Dinosaur again. Also, I have no clue where Kalia is, so I've lost her, so I'm officially alone in the park. Unless I end up crossing them because I don't think that she's gonna write to me because I wrote to her before getting in Festival of the Lion King and she hasn't answered. So, but that's fine because after Dinosaur I'm gonna try to get a fast pass for another ride and then I'm just gonna run around for the rest of the evening apparently. See? But that's what's easy about being alone because number one, nobody around you knows you, so they can't judge you. And, well, they can judge you, but you just don't care about it. And, number two, you can snoop through crowds easily. So, Disney trick. Go alone. Do I look like I know what I'm doing because I'm strutting through the park? Yes. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Okay. I'm sure you guys can literally see how fast I'm walking. I'm like, my calves hurt. I didn't look at the time, though. What time is it? What time is it? Is it around 28? 58? 30? I'm not quite sure. 36? No, that's impossible. It can't be 36. It was at 36 when I was in the middle. Oh my god, it's been 38. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes. Okay, we're early. This entire thing is just me screaming at myself. Yes, queen. Yes. Okay. We're in. Okay, so I just rode Dinosaur on my own like a big girl. Now I'm going to meet Akalia at Pizza Safari. I just want to check though because sometimes there are characters around here that I want to meet, but I'm gonna be coming back to Animal Kingdom, I think. I hope. No characters. I am sad. See the lights, see the party, the broadcast. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. I didn't know this was the party section of Animal Kingdom. This is pretty cool. This music slaps. I forgot that Pizza Safari was actually on Discovery Island and not in Dinoland, USA. I was confusing it with that's a difficult word apparently. Restaurantosaurus. Got it. Pizza Safari, here I come. Let's go get some pizza. Oh, I forgot. After this, I have to run to Expedition Everest. I got a fast pass. From 6:45 to 7:45, I think. And I don't even know what time it is now. So I don't know how much I'm gonna have to rush from one place to the next. Oh, there are a lot of people and I can't see because of the sun. Always do your dead angles, boys. Or else you're gonna smack into someone and nobody wants that. That's just me poop. Okay, so that was good. I just went to meet them because they were eating. And then they had to leave for their fast pass at Navi River, which is convenient because I have to leave for mine at Expedition Everest because it finishes in 30 minutes and I'm still strutting, but like I'll be able to get on right away, so it's pretty cool. And it's really convenient that I went to meet them there because they were finished eating and they had leftovers, like pizza crusts, pizza, salad. So I just ate that, so now I won't have to feed myself before going on Everest. I'm not entirely sure if that's the best way to go about things. But you know, I'll stop for Starbucks after, fill myself up with coffee. I think I still have like a 5-minute walk to Everest, which is nice. I think I've done so many steps today, which is good for me because I don't do exercise. We're in. Okay, well, I'm gonna talk a bit quietly because I'm back at the hotel and it's late. So where we last left off, I think I was taking videos of us. I'm not entirely sure where. So anyways, I met up with Akalia and her gang after going to see The Lion King. And after booking it to my fast pass at Dinosaur. And then I went to meet them at the Pizza Safari, right? And then from there, I don't think I continued it. So then we went to, I had a fast pass at Expedition Everest, so I went to do that, and then I waited for them there, and then we all did it again, single rider, and then we went to see Rivers of Light, which was really cool. I've never seen it before, so it's really nice. If ever you have the chance to do it, I recommend it. So I'm gonna go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning.